Hello friends. Welcome back to Nutrizon. Shape it up. Yoga is a systematic practice of physical exercise, breath control, relaxation, diet control, positive thinking and meditation aimed at developing harmony in the body, mind, and environment. On Nutrizon we will be covering beginner to advanced yoga practices. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever we post a new video. Well, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video now. Let's start Svarga Dvidasana, or bird of paradise pose. Svarga Dvidasana is derived from the combination of the Sanskrit words. Svarga means paradise, Dvija means twice born or bird, and asana means posture or pose. It is called as bird of paradise pose in English. Level advance. Style Hatha Yoga. Duration 5 to 30 seconds. Repetitions none. Strengthens leg, thigh and knee. Stretches leg and hamstrings. Benefits. Improves the sense of balance. Opens the hips. Helps to open the hamstrings and groins. Now let's see how to perform.
Stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Bend forward from your hips and extend your arms toward the floor. Bend your knees. Reach your right arm between your legs and bring your left arm behind your back. Clasp your left wrist with your right hand. Use a strap if they don't reach. Shift your weight to your left foot and rise up onto the ball of your right foot. When you feel steady, start to round your spine up until you're standing. If this is comfortable, straighten your right leg. Pull your shoulders down and lift your chest. Take a few deep breaths. Then repeat on the opposite side.
Precautions. Please avoid practicing this pose if you have shoulder injury, hamstring, hip problems, and pelvis problems. Pregnant women may avoid practicing this asana. Still have doubts? Comments below. Hope you have found our content informative. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.